I'm going to show you how to replace or upgrade the hard drive of a DV5000 laptop, or well, most HP laptops from the DV range. First thing you got to do is make sure you remove any power. Obviously, shut down your computer first, then remove any power supply. That also includes the battery. Now, over on this side here, on the underside is where the original hard drive is stored. We know this because by next to the screws, you probably can't see in the film, but you will see on your laptop 3 circular discs indicating that's where the hard drive is stored. Just take a normal Phillips head screwdriver and unscrew the screws. Oh, and an important thing to do before touching anything inside the laptop is to discharge yourself by touching any metal object. And that will get the static off of your body. Otherwise, if you've got a static charge in your body and you touch the electronics inside, you can fry the circuits. Anyway, once the screws are undone, just sort of lift away the cover. Different models will have a different design, so just pull away the different sort of clips or ways they're stuck in. Now you see here is the hard drive inside its metal case. To remove the hard drive, first you unscrew the case with the 2 screws here and here. Screws. Once it's unscrewed, we can safely press on top gently and slide across, and then carefully lift the hard drive out. Being careful to only touch it on its sides and not touch the actual drive or circuits underneath. Is it in focus? See, this metal casing is the bay that the DV series of HP uses to contain the hard drive. It's held in by 1, 2, 3, 4 screws. That may vary across models, but they'll all be along the side here in some way. You simply take the same normal size Phillips head screwdriver and unscrew them one by one. Carefully take out the hard drive. You take your new hard drive from your anti-static bag. Careful not to touch as much as you can. Screw it back in place, putting your old hard drive in the anti-static bag if you wish to keep it. Screwing back up and then placing back again where we took it out from, along the sides there, so everything's nice and lined up, and then gently slide it back into place. You'll feel a bit of resistance, but it should slide and click in. If you feel any abnormal amount of resistance, then stop and make sure everything's aligned. Don't force it. Once you're done, just reverse the process by screwing the bay back into place. And then you can power on your PC and everything should work. However, replacing a hard drive will replace all the data that was on your old hard drive. That includes your operating system. So you're going to have to reinstall all of that. In this particular example, this may not be the best suitable example for everyone's case, but in my particular example, I'm going to take the hard drive that I've removed and put that in an external case. Once it's in the external case, the new hard drive that's inside, I will use the HP recovery disks that I created using the HP system recovery tool to reinstall Windows to its factory condition that was shipped with the HP computer. Oh, and when you're putting the lid back on, it may be helpful to just make sure the screws are aligned. Put the screws on, make sure everything's aligned, and then start screwing down. Yeah, and restore Windows back to its factory condition as it was shipped out. Then, to take the old hard drive that I've placed in an external case and copy across necessary files that I need as they come up. Once it's screwed in, just make sure everything's clipped in properly. Screws are on. You can then place your battery back into the machine. Flip it over, and if everything was done correctly, it should boot up as normal.